Hi everyone, this is Raymond Ray with Realty Executives Homes. I'm at 908 Louise Way in Lebec. This is a manufactured home with HUD labels. It's on a permanent foundation. The home is on a lot that is 10,495 square feet, fully fenced, with carport that's 62 foot long, extra tall that you could get an RV under, gated driveway. So this is a rolling gated driveway, all concrete driveway on this lot. There's fences all around the lot, so you completely fenced in for pets. This is a little side area that you could put a little garden in over here up to this fence. You can see how tall the carport is. And like I said, it's 62 foot long, all the way back to the end where there's a 3-car garage. The 3-car garage also has a 4th side area where there's a workshop. So I'll go back there after the house. The house is 1,440 square feet, and it has 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. It's got nice paint on the outside. It's got a really nice front porch area. There's a back door area over here. So that's the back door. But I'm going to walk you through the front door. There's concrete sidewalks all around the house and the property. Like I said, new double paned windows on the property. It's got a really nice big covered front porch area right here. And it's a solid cover, so you can use it year round. Big front porch on this property. And then I'll come back out this way to completely go around the property and show the garage. This is the front door. You enter into a nice big living area right here. You have the living room, a nice sized dining area, and a kitchen that's been remodeled with new cabinets. Beautiful kitchen. New cabinets, new stainless steel appliances. It's got granite countertops with a granite backsplash. It also has, like I said, the stainless steel refrigerator stays with the property. It has a stainless steel gas range with a nice big hood and a stainless steel dishwasher. Recessed lighting was added all around the living area. And again, the double pane windows, all painted freshly inside. It's in very nice condition. It's such a comfortable home. So that's the kitchen, and again, that's the front door. I'm going to take you over this way. This is the master bedroom, which is to the rear of the home. It's got a nice big master bedroom. Need to replace a battery in that smoke detector. All new laminate floors throughout the house. So all the flooring's new. This is the master bedroom. Has a linen closet right there. That's a linen closet, and then a nice big closet right here for all your clothes. And then it has an attached master bath. The master bath has a tub and stand-up shower, and tub and shower with the glass enclosure. Toilet area over here. And then a nice vanity right here with a mirror in the sink. So you got an attached master bath off the master bedroom. This is such a comfortable home. Every time I walk around it, it just feels like such a nice place. It's going to make a great home for someone. The home is listed right now at $321,700. This is a hallway that leads down to the other 2 bedrooms, but there's also a laundry room that has a door to the outside. Washer and dryer stay. And again, there is a bathroom that is right here. I'm going to show you next. That is kind of like a Jack and Jill style into the 1 bedroom, but it's a hall bathroom. So you come over here. Here's the door. So this bathroom has a nice vanity, mirror, glass block tile, nice lighting. This has tile flooring in the bath. And in the bathroom area, you have a nice big tiled shower, floor to ceiling. Tiled shower, toilet. This is really pretty, this bath. And it has the exhaust fan in the bathroom here. And then it leads to this second bedroom right here in the front of the house. New laminate flooring, double pane windows, closet. And this house is ready to move into, turnkey. You don't need to do anything. And then here's the third bedroom straight across. This bedroom's been painted white with the new laminate flooring, double pane windows. This room has 2 windows, so it gets real bright in here. And then you have the mirrored closet doors for that closet area. And then you have a little area over here where you can, do studying or, set up a desk. Nice sized bedroom. So 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths. Let me walk you out the front door and show you the rest of the property now. And again, you come out of these 2 bedrooms and you got your nice big open living room, kitchen, dining. And then I'll go out the front door again and we'll walk around and show you the garage. This is a beautiful property, built in 1977. I love this porch. I mean, it's year round. So we just had rain yesterday and the property's fine. The porch you can use in the rain or even when it snows. We do get snow here. But 10,495 square foot lot. Lot's amazing. So back here, that's a yellow tough shed right there. I'll show you the inside of that. And that's the 3-car garage in the back. And again, all concrete. Driveway all the way around the house. Even has extra concrete alongside the garage over here that you can use for, boat parking, RV parking. That's the septic system, all with the steel cover lids. And I'll give you a shot of the driveway and carport here. So that's the carport going out to the gated driveway. And let's take a look at the tough shed here. So it's a really good sized shed. I mean, you can, it's got a 3-car garage plus this tough shed with storage up top and a window. You could turn this into like an artist retreat, or it's got electricity in it. There's electricity in the shed. So you could use this as a little studio. It's large. It's like 14 foot by 10 foot on a concrete foundation. So it's all concrete floored. The garage as well is all stick built, nice roof on the garage. I put that door up just so we could get in and out and see the lighting. It's all stick built with a concrete slab. You come in this way is the workshop area right here. So you got a bench, some lighting up above, and a lot of area, storage area. The garage was built to have a workshop, 220. It has 220 power right there for a generator. Nice large workshop area. And then you still have the 3-car garage in addition to this workshop. Plus, you have these pull down stairs. And with the pull down stairs, I'm gonna go up and just give you a view. There's still some storage up there that they gotta get rid of. But there's lighting up here in the storage area. And they have, you can walk up here, okay? It has the lighting up here and it's carpeted. They just have some storage up here that they haven't gotten out yet, but it runs the full length of the 3-car garage. So there is amazing storage in this above area, above the garage. And then again, you have the garage. So 321,700, and it can be financed. They do have HUD labels on the house, which is what the lenders require. It's in Los Padres Estates. There's a small HOA. It's like $175 annually. So it's there's no pool or anything like that, but it's a great family area. And again, it's up in Los Padres Estates in Lebec, California. This is a really nice property for somebody with a family, pets, kids. And again, it's Raymond Ray Realty Executives Homes. If you have any questions, you can reach me at 661-212-1016. The property is available right now, and it's a great buy for somebody. Look forward to hearing from you. Have a wonderful day. Raymond Ray Realty Executive Homes.